Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the simple process of activating your Sephora gift card. Whether you've just received a Sephora gift card or you're planning to use it for your next shopping spree, follow these easy steps to activate it and start shopping. Step 1. Locate the activation information. Before you begin the activation process, make sure you have your Sephora gift card on hand. You'll need the following details. Gift card number. This is typically found on the back of the card. PIN code, if applicable. Some gift cards require a PIN code for activation, which is also located on the back of the card. Step 2. Visit the official Sephora website. Open your preferred browser, Chrome, Safari, etc. Go to the official Sephora website, sephora.com. Once on the home page, scroll to the bottom of the page and look for the gift cards link under the customer service section. Step 3. Select Activate Gift Card. On the gift cards page, look for an option that says Activate Gift Card. Click on it to begin the activation process. Step 4. Enter your gift card information. Now, you'll be asked to input the following details. Gift card number. Enter the 16-digit number printed on the card. PIN code, if required. Enter the PIN code, which may be a 4-digit number. After entering the required information, double-check it for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm activation. Once you've entered the details, click the Activate button. If your card information is correct, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your Sephora gift card has been successfully activated. Step 6. Start shopping. Now that your Sephora gift card is activated, you're all set to start shopping. Simply add items to your cart, and at checkout, select Gift Card as your payment method. Enter the gift card number and PIN, and you're ready to enjoy your shopping experience. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues while activating your card, here are a few things you can try. Double-check your details. Make sure that both the gift card number and PIN code are entered correctly. Try a different browser or device. Sometimes issues can arise from browser settings or cache. Contact Sephora customer support. If you're still having trouble, Sephora's customer service team can help you resolve any problems. You can reach them by phone or through the live chat feature on their website. Conclusion. That's it. Now you know exactly how to activate your Sephora gift card in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tutorials and tips. Happy shopping and enjoy your Sephora experience. This video is for informational purposes only. Please refer to Sephora's official website for the latest updates or changes to their activation process. Thanks for watching.